Hi everyone, I am Diva Beyonce, and I would like to say to Kim that girl, you finally did it. You finally got somebody to pop that little white clean pussy open to death. And you know what? You got my brother-in-law to do it. I know Kanye may seem a little stupid sometimes, a little bit crazy, but you know what? He did a good idea, because if he would have had a child by a black woman, girl, that damn thing would have been ugly. But I'm glad that he picked a white woman with a nice family and that fucked almost everybody in the industry, especially the industry. Because, I mean, Reggie Bush, Ray J, I think you did Jay-Z before I met him. I'm not sure. I know you did a couple of other people. You did the basketball player. You did Kanye now. Girl, I think you did all the Jonas brothers. And I think you did B2K when you was growing up. I'm not sure. But girl, you did a lot. And you know what? I don't know what the hell you think this is. But look, ain't nobody gonna outshine Baby Blue. You understand that? Because that's mine. That is mine, bitch. And that's what we do. And that's how we do it, honey. So you can say what you want. Famous. Oh, girl, did you hear? Oh, girl. Let me get something to drink. Bitch. Let me pull this, girl. Did you hear about that motherfucking Kim Kardashian, girl? Hold on. Ooh, girl, it's gonna be some shit this year, girl. 2013? Girl, there's gonna be some shit going on. And it's gonna all be said, baby. Girl, trust that. Ooh, girl, they gonna be whipping each other's asses, bitch. Ooh. Girl, I hope they slap each other like, yeah, bitch. Yes, bitch, I hope it goes down. 2013, bitch, you better get down.